Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta tell you about our Tech Innovation of the Year. And yeah, if you're looking to do great engraving, this is the product for you. So I'm gonna give you 5 reasons that we named this our Tech Innovation of the Year for 2023. So many different things, whether it's engraving on the top of your leather-bound books, you can do that. You can go into the app and you can actually change your actual pictures into engraved images, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product and kick it off right about now. So first off, I gotta tell you my 5 reasons why I love this product is the company. The company is a premier brand. They are an elite brand and they stand behind their products. They've been doing these sorts of laser engraving for years. They are an industry leader. Don't settle for second best. If you're in the business, if you're looking to get into engraving, well, guess what? Inferior products have inferior results, okay? This is a fast printer. This is a thorough machine that's going to print much faster than the competition. It works every single time, and that's because it's a great brand. The brand cares about the quality, they care about your customer service, and the ease of setup. Which brings me to the second reason why this is our Tech Innovation of the Year, is the ease of setup. This brand has made it easy for you, the consumer, to actually use the machine. A lot of these things come in 1,000 parts, and they don't have an instruction video, and the instructions are written in English as a second language. These folks have full color instructions, user videos for setup, and easy setup. Every part is available and ready for you, tried and true and tested. I've set some up before that you actually had to drill your own holes to get it to work. Not with this company. That's because, again, they're a great brand, but the ease of setup is fantastic. The number 3 reason why this is our Tech Invention of the Year is because this is going to make your life better by giving you great potential for gifts. You can go to the dollar store and get a glass. You put a cool engraving on it, and it's timeless. It's a piece that you can give to somebody. You can take any type of glass, you can take wood, you can do all sorts of stuff. Create to your heart's content, really fantastic. Make Christmas decorations for your friends. Make Christmas decorations for your trees. Cut into wood, make great shapes. It's really a fantastic product, and that's why I love it so much, okay? The number 4 reason I love this is the intuitive app. Now, of course, you can install it on your computer, but the app itself is incredible. You can actually draw on the app. You can actually use photos from your phone on the app. If you type, you can type into your phone and print that out at the size you want with the amount of laser burn that you want. I've never seen a more intuitive app when it comes to a product like this. These folks have thought of everything, and the fact that it ties perfectly and you can use it online or offline, really a fantastic device. I love just being able to control and create with my phone. I can sit on the couch and come up with the most creative designs, and that just makes me happy. All right? So, talked about how it's a great company. We've talked about that super cool app, the speed of printing, the precision. That's number 5. The number 5 reason is the precision that we're dealing with here. It's above and beyond the competition. We've had things engraved years ago that weren't anywhere near the quality. This is fantastic. Folks, if you're looking for something that's innovative, stylish, sophisticated, and chic, something that's going to give great holiday gifts, great anniversary gifts, customized items to where the name is right there, done. I've used it so many times on so many products that this is really cool. You can take a Bible, you can put your name on it and make it a gift to your friends. You can take a glass, you can put your emblem on it and make it an item, a giveaway for your company. There's so many things you can do, and this can create your own business. So get that hustle on yourself, folks. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. All right, we've showed you the use. We've showed you how cool this thing is. Easy to set up, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, Tech Innovation of the Year 2023. Don't you dare miss it. You won't be disappointed. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see the UNBOX. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. Pick this one out because of that 12,000 millimeters per minute of cutting time. It's so much faster than the competition that's pushing close to 3,000. All right, so right up on the top of the box is your user guide. Very intuitive and friendly user guide. Let me back out so you can see it a little bit. I love the fact that this is written in English, full color, by English speakers. Yeah. Shows you the security lock, the on-off, the alarm. When limits are touched, a flame detected, it sets the alarm off. The USB, the reset of the engraver, the HDMI, the Type-C, the input and the output, everything you need there. I love the fact that you can use the mobile app to do this. So you don't even have to install it on your PC, but it'll work on your PC or, of course, offline as well. Now, the instructions are in a variety of languages: English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, etc. And here is some information about the engraving itself and how to set it up. Set up your language, your mode, the tilt, etc. And yeah, a very intuitive graphical user interface on the PC as well, so it's easy to use. And it's really fantastic. If you've used 3D printers before, this is the same type of technology, but it's kind of 3D engraving. You engrave the side of those bottles and do the work that you want to do. And you can see this says, this is the cutting mat. So this is put this on the ground to make sure that there's no damage to your tabletop. We're going to open this up and you get to see the pieces parts itself. Okay, so it is standard standard 110. I saw this and started to say it. Here's your USB-C with USB-A as well. And your HDMI connection, very straightforward there. Now it's got the arms, the long arm of the law. I'm going to show you that. These are just going to assemble right together. And there's the alarm, the on-off, the lock position, the USB, everything you need right there. Now, something I really must show you is the overall quality here. You're getting a high-quality device, real metal here. This is above and beyond the competition, right? 36 watt, 12 volt rated, and you can adjust the power to max on and off. Really fantastic stuff in terms of the overall quality and appearance. Now, assembly is going to be a GIF, and they do send you an assembly video to where you can see how to assemble it quickly, easily, and efficiently. All right, folks, if you're looking for a high-quality engraving machine that's fast, durable, and safe, yeah, I'm talking safe for the family, this is one that is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. The brand itself is tried and true, proven time and time again to do great things for you. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'm only showing you the best products, the best of the best, so you can indeed forget the rest. And this is awesome. You got to get to shopping and go ahead and pick it up for yourself. You will not be disappointed. I appreciate you. You're awesome. And goodbye, my friends.